Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix WWE 2K26 gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart our PC. For that, click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update controller drivers. So for that you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and then launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. But if the issue still continues, again come back, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Now after verifying the game files, check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings, click on Bluetooth and devices. Now here your controller will be added. You have to first remove it. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After removing, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device and here click on everything else and add your controller over here. Now after adding your controller, check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. After updating your Windows to the latest version, now check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, move to the next method. Next is to check for game update. You must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check whether it's working or not. So go to Steam and here you will see available update option. If there is any update available, click on update and after updating the game, now check whether controller is working or not. Next is to enter big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam. Now under library section, select your game. Here you can see big picture mode. Click on it. After entering big picture mode, you have to play the game and after that exit big picture mode and then check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to install DS for Windows tool. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for DS for Windows tool in Google. Now after the website opens, click on the download option and again go below and here you have to click on download. Once the file is downloaded, you have to install it. After that, connect your controller and update it and finally launch the game and then check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix WWE 2K26 gamepad or controller not working issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.